Reduce the following equations into intercept form and find their intercept on the axis. Number 1, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Intercept form of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Given equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. This is x axis, x dash, y dash, y axis, O is origin. This is given line. Intercept on x axis is small a, O is equal to a. Intercept on y axis is small b, OB is equal to small b. Taking constant term to right hand side, 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now, in order to make right hand side 1, we have to divide each terms by 12. Dividing by 12, 3x upon 12 plus 2y upon 12 is equal to 1 और x upon 3 से कटा दिया, x upon 4 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. Now comparing it with intercept form equation 1. Equation 1, we get intercept on x axis a is equal to 4. Intercept on y axis b is equal to 6. Number 2, 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. राइट हैंड साइड को 1 बनाने के लिए 6 से डिवाइड कर दिया, डिवाइडिंग बाय 6, 4x अपॉन 6 माइनस 3y अपॉन 6 इज इक्वल टू 6 बाई 6 1 और 2 से घटा दिया, 2x अपॉन 3 माइनस y अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 1 और x अपॉन 3 बाई 2, 2 के ध्यान लिया है. कंपेयरिंग इट विथ इक्वेशन 1, दिस इक्वेशन, intercept on x axis a is equal to 3 by 2. Intercept on y axis b is equal to -2, माइनस के यहाँ लिख दिया. नंबर 3, 3y प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0, प्लस 2 को इधर ले गया, 3y इज इक्वल टू -2, -2 से डिवाइड कर दिया 1. इसको लिख सकते हैं x अपॉन 0 प्लस y अपॉन -2 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 1. इंटरसेप्ट ऑन x एक्सिस a is equal to 0. Intercept on y axis b is equal to -2 by 3. Reduce the following equations into normal form. Find their perpendicular distances from the origin and angle between perpendicular and positive x axis. Number 1, x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. This is x axis, y dash is y axis, O is origin. This angle is alpha. OM is equal to small p. Length of perpendicular from origin to the line. Alpha is angle between perpendicular and x axis. Normal form of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where alpha is angle between x axis and normal to the line from origin. P is length of perpendicular OM. Number 1, x minus root 3y plus 8 equal to 0. Transferring plus 8 to right hand side. राइट हैंड साइड कांस्टेंट नंबर को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए. टू मेक राइट हैंड साइड पॉजिटिव, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स बाई -1 -x प्लस रूट 3y इज इक्वल टू 8. Here root a square plus b square, where a is coefficient of x and b is coefficient of y. Root -1 square plus root 3 square is equal to root 1 plus 3 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Now dividing each terms of both sides by 2. -x by 2 plus root 3 by 2 y is equal to 8 by 2. -1 by 2 x plus root 3 by 2 y is equal to 4. Comparing it with normal form 1, equation 1, cos alpha is equal to -1 by 2, cos alpha is equal to -1 by 2, therefore alpha is equal to 120 or 3 pi by 2 radian, because cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to -1. Sin alpha is equal to root 3 by 2, alpha is equal to 1 by 120, 3 pi by 2. Now we can write perpendicular distance from origin P is equal to 4. P is equal to 4. Answer: perpendicular distance from origin OM P is equal to 4. Angle between perpendicular and positive axis alpha. Angle between perpendicular and positive x axis alpha is equal to 3 pi by 2. Number 2, y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is P, OM, this is alpha. Now taking -2 to right hand side, y is equal to 2. It can be written as 0x plus y is equal to 2. Here under root a square plus b square, a is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Dividing each terms of both sides by 1, 0 upon 1 x plus 1 upon 1 y is equal to 2 upon 1, 0x plus 1y is equal to 2. Comparing it with normal form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Cos alpha is equal to 0. Therefore alpha is equal to 90 because cos pi by 2 radian 90 degree is equal to 0. Sin alpha is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 90. P is equal to perpendicular distance, P is equal to 2. Answer: perpendicular distance from the origin, P is equal to 2. Angle between perpendicular and positive x axis, alpha is equal to pi by 2. Number 3, x minus y is equal to 4. Here right hand side is already positive, therefore we will divide by under root a square plus b square. Under root a square plus b square. A is coefficient of x 1 square plus b is coefficient of y minus 1 square is equal to root 2. Dividing both sides by root 2. One by root 2 x minus 1 by root 2 y is equal to 4 by root 2. It can be written as 4 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2 2 root 2. ये 2 हो जाएगा, 2 से करा दिया तो 2 root 2. 1 by root 2 x minus 1 by root 2 y is equal to 2 root 2. Now comparing with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. P is equal to 2 root 2. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore alpha is equal to 45 or 360 minus 45, 350 degree. Sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Alpha is equal to minus 45 degree or 315 degree. So alpha is equal to 315 degree or 315 into 5 by 180 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया रेडियन के लिए. रेडियन इज इक्वल टू 7 pi by 4 रेडियन. Answer: perpendicular distance from the origin, perpendicular distance P is equal to 2 root 2. Angle between perpendicular and positive x axis, alpha is equal to 7 by pi 4.